If you look, that's the cotton-tailed checkerboard woodpecker. Very rare species of bird. As it pecks away, burrowing a home for itself. The yellowed, gray, smothered peckerwood. There are not many peckerwoods like this. Most peckerwoods are white.